you can see the wind.
Love that little adventure.
Man, I need to put the afterburner back in this thing.
You took it out?
Yeah, just put it in the Mirage.
What?
I gotta do one thing. Shoot, I totally forgot.
What'd you forget?
The volume. The volume in my telemetry.
I gotta be out of Chris's way when it's time for me.
In a little bit.
In a minute.
You gotta come in?
Little lad?
He just took off.
No, not yet. Okay.
45 seconds? Yeah.
Frank, I might have to go without you.
You gotta
Yeah,
create
no, that's
45 seconds, we'll go.
I'm going up.
Take off flaps.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Okay, all yours!
Gear up. Flaps up. Gear down. Gear up.
This is the pack that requires every ounce of, every single milliamp hour.
Alright, now.
Low pass.
Hey! Hi! Alright. Now I can
Oh, he talks about now.
Time
so I
remaining
want a
2
turbine.
minutes.
Oh God, here he goes.
He said no. We talked about this. There's like no turbine speed.
More like 4. 3 to 4,000.
Nice. Oh, look.
Alright, Frank.
Turbines are allowed?
You get your allowance, she said.
Oh, I thought that was some type of plane. Oh, gas powered one?
No, jet A powered.
It's jet, an actual jet,
Jet A fuel.
an actual jet fuel. Are you taking off?
It feels like a different dimension of
What?
extreme hobbying.
But he needs it. He really needs it.
I mean, if I
If he doesn't get it, he's going to die.
Time remaining 1 minute.
heard of such a cause of death,
It's very common in this hobby. Yeah, if
Low
you
battery.
Get a turbine.
they didn't mention that in medical.
Low battery.
Who has low battery?
Yeah.
The Radian.
You didn't go to the right medical center.
Low pass.
Go. I got one more and then I gotta come in.
Oh, that was a low. Oh.
Alright, I'm coming in.
10, 9, 8.
Okay, landing.
Landing flaps. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Nice.
Gyro doesn't like the crosswind.
Flaps up.
That's an old plane. You can tell by the sound. Old something, I don't know what it is, but it's old.
The lights are nice and bright. Boy,
They're
Frank.
nice. They're not bad.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Sounds cool. What's that sound?
Yeah, and it roars nice.
What's that sound?
The sound of a 1900 kV inrunner.
No, there's something in the back of it making. Is there a hole in there?
No.